Welcome to the instructions video for the Thin Film Optics Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you analyze how light interacts with thin, transparent films, calculating reflection, transmission, and interference effects that are critical for designing optical coatings and filters. To use this calculator, start by entering the film thickness in nanometers. Let's use 125 nanometers for a typical quarter wave coating. Next, input the refractive index of your thin film, such as 1.38 for magnesium fluoride. Enter the substrate refractive index, like 1.52 for standard glass. Set the wavelength of light you're analyzing. We'll use 550 nanometers for green light. Finally, specify the angle of incidence, starting with 0 degrees for normal incidence. The calculator will compute the reflectance and transmittance percentages, phase shifts for both S and P polarizations, and indicate whether you have constructive or destructive interference conditions at your specified parameters. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.